Chapter 1 History of Computer. Recapitulation. Computer is an electronic device and it helps us in doing calculation. Central idea: exploring the development of computers from abacus to modern computer. Getting acquainted with the scientists who had developed computer. Knowing father of modern computer. Ancient people used their fingers, stones, sticks, or made marks on the wall for counting. You know that the first tool used by man to count was their own fingers. The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate or to count. Have you ever wondered who invented the computer? Let's explore the history of computer right from the start. The abacus. Abacus was invented by the Chinese and is known as the world's oldest computing device. In the 1300s, the Chinese began using a wooden frame made of beads and rods. It was mainly used for addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. They still use it today. Its inventor is unknown. The abacus is mostly referred to as the first computer. John Napier. In early 1600s, John Napier invented the calculating rods. It used marked strips of wood or bone side by side to multiply and divide. It converted any multiplication problem to an addition problem. Slide rule. Slide rule was invented by William Outred. It is embodied by two sets of scales that are joined together with a marginal space between them. Pascal adding machine. In 1642, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the adding machine or Pascaline wheel. The Pascaline is known as the first mechanical and automatic calculator. He invented it for his father, who worked in the tax collecting office. It could add as well as subtract. Leibniz calculating machine. In 1671, the German mathematician, philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz designed a calculating machine called the step reckoner. It was first built in 1673. The calculator could add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Difference engine. In the early 1820s, an English mathematician, Charles Babbage, designed a computing machine called the difference engine. This machine was used in calculating and printing of simple math tables. Analytical engine. In 1830, Charles Babbage developed another computer called analytical engine. This machine was to be used in calculating complicated problems by following a set of instructions. Babbage is credited with inventing the first mechanical computer that eventually led to more complex electronic design. Though all the essential ideas of computing machines made in 1900s or even modern computers are based on design of analytical engine. This is why Charles Babbage is known as the father of modern computers.